Out on the porch where the coffee steams, morning light in a pocket full of dreams. Lived a life both wild and free. Lord had mercy, didn't give up on me. From broken roads and reckless nights to quiet prayers in the morning light, every scar's got a story to tell. Every road led me out of hell. Yeah, I've been lost, I've been found, heard His grace in every sound. These are the sounds from the John, songs of where I've been and gone, family, faith, and friends along the way. Grace that carried me every day, from old Bible truths to a back porch song, from right and wrong to where I belong. Yeah, every note's a life I've drawn. These are the sounds from the John. Little feet running through the yard, grandkids laughing, life ain't hard. Patty's not quiet, but her heart's deep. Love like that you always keep. Friends roll in, we talk and laugh, stories from the past we craft. Every name's a melody, every face a memory. Yeah, love runs deep, roots run strong. Every life becomes a song. These are the sounds from the John, stories carried, passed along, from childhood dust to a farmer's hand, to walking steady in the promised land. Through joy and pain, the Lord's hand drawn in every verse I lean upon. Yeah, every note's a life I've drawn. These are the sounds from the John. Joseph sold to Pharaoh's side, to Moses parting the raging tide. Ruth found love in a foreign land, Esther stood with a steady hand. Old time stories, truth so bold, grace and wrath in the tales of old. Sovereign hand through all we see, from Calvary to eternity. Not by chance, no, not by fate, every line He chose to write. These are the sounds from the John, truth that's ancient still goes on. Calvin's echoing mercy song, grace that proves where I belong. Not by will, but by His dawn, saved and held forever strong. Yeah, every note's a life I've drawn. These are the sounds from the John. So I'll sing about the love, sing about the fight, sing about the wrong that He made right, sing about the days when faith was thin, and the voice that called me back again. Yeah, I'm just a man with a simple tune, under God and a Kentucky moon. Every breath, every rising dawn, another verse in the sounds from the John. These are the sounds from the John, from dusk till early morning's yawn. Life and love in the Savior's grace, written deep I can't erase. When I'm gone, let this live on, every truth I stood upon. Yeah, every note's a life I've drawn. These are the sounds from the John.